Today, on such auspicious time, we all the members of NIP gathered here for our annual business meeting 2017. Before going into discussion, I, Shomdeep Shom, holding the position as GM of the company, NIP, like to thanks and show my love to our honorable CMD, Mr. Biplab Kumar Sinha, under whose prudent guideline, collaborations, and terms of love, I am here showing my gratitude and get a chance to stand in front of you all. This figure called Mr. Sinha is like our father, friend, philosopher, our guide, or I might say, our umbrella of strong confidence to every NIPians. Remember, umbrella can stop the rains, but it helps and gives courage to stand in front of the rains. Devosidala, faculty head, Neha Gupta, lesson director, Winnie Mukherjee, HR admin head, Teresa Joseph, marketing head, Priyanka and Shailendra, operational head, Suvir Das, chief accountant, Zarina Begum, recruitment officer, Naveen Raju, regional manager Bhubaneswar, Padmanabh Saha, regional manager Agartala, Anshu Jaiswal, verification officer, Tripti Srivastava, and Ankita Gupta, admin supervisor. Shreya